automatically be marked as website. And we have also marked it as hidden, so they cannot see this. So we've already marked it as hidden also, so they cannot see this late source. So when we click on save, they cannot see this particular field. And the same thing applies for this. You can mark as hidden if you want, and you can add in a required, or you can add it as an hint. So you can also decide to add in the form title in the form, the form name as the title of the form, and you can preview this form if you want, and you can also click on next if you want. So when you click on next, you can add in the URL where you want this web form to be. You want to add this web form to, and you can click on add. When you add the form URL, you can also decide that you want to enable the opt-in. And they said here that if you do not know the link you want to host this web form on, all you need to do is to click on the asterisk. So let's just add in asterisk. Oh, okay, so we've added in the asterisk, and we can also enable the double opt-in. If you want to include double opt-in to this form, you can add this double opt-in. So you can also decide to redirect to a thank you page, where this will be added to the thank you page, or you add in a splash message which is going to be like thank you for your response, or you can redirect to your another URL if you want. So you can also, let's add in a thank you page. So we can also see that the default owner is me, and you can add in tags if you want. You can add in whatever tags you want. If you want a particular tag to be linked to any of the contacts coming through this web form, then you can just add that in. So let's just add in the website lead tags, and we can also decide that we want to notify the lead owner when they come in. You can pick from the system generated mail or from a template. If you have a template in your CRM, you can just add that in. You can also decide to acknowledge this visitor if you want, so that when they submit this, when they come in, we can use a particular rule to, we can choose a template, and we can be able to send them an email. So you can include visitors tracking if you want. You can request for approval, and if you request for approval, that means it will have to go through the approval settings in Zoho CRM, and that means we can be able to approve this leads before they are added into the CRM. So when you're done, you click on save. Okay, let me just take this off. I click on save, and that has been saved. And as you can see, this is the code snippet for our web form in Zoho CRM. And all you need to do is just to copy this code and put it on your website, or put it in anywhere you want to add that in. So when you click on copy here, this code has been copied, and you can embed this code on your website. So I have a video here, where you can see how to embed the a form on your website. So you can check out that video. The exact step on how to embed this form is in that video. So when you're done, you click on done, and as you can see, the form has been published. So after publishing the form, you can go back to your form, and you can edit it, you can clone it, you can delete it. You can also check in for the publish option, and you can also check in for the source code like I said. You can also embed it if you want to embed it also in your page, or if you want to use iframe, or if you want, even if you want to use QR code. So you can download this QR code, and when you download this QR code, you can add it on whatever page you want to add, and when people scan in that QR code, is going to take them into this web form. You can also use a link, and if you just want this link to be able to, if you just want to send this link maybe through an email template or whatever you want to use, when they come in, they can just have access to the form through the link. And as you can see, this is the web form that has been added, and they can put in their name, all of the details, and this is going to be added directly into Zoho CRM. So the reason why most people do not use web form is because we do not have the ability to be able to beautify the form, and that can be a deal breaker for some people. So the only thing we can do most time is just to add in the font color, the background color. So if you need more extensive design, I will advise that you use I would advise that you use what's it called? You use Zoho forms. So we can just add in maybe background color and oof, yeah, maybe something simple. So we can also align this label whatever we want. So we cannot really do extensive design like the way we did in Zoho Forms. And also, if you want to create Zoho Forms, this video up here will help you to create Zoho Forms. So I created an extensive tutorial on how to create Zoho Forms and how to use the setting and all of that. So you can use that if you want. So when you click on next, to take you to this page again, then you click on save. And when you go back to your form page and you refresh, as you can see, when you refresh, this has been updated. All right, so that is how to create a web form in Zoho CRM. As you can see, we can see all of the visits, we can see the submissions, and if you want to stop this form, you can just click on this status here, and it's going to deactivate the form. If you're a business owner and you are still looking at your Zoho CRM account and you still feel there are some things that are currently off, or there are some things that are currently not working, your workflows are not working, your blueprints are not working, your cadence are not working, we can help you with that. We offer comprehensive audits, and we are going to look at everything that is currently not working in your Zoho CRM account, and we are going to help you on the next steps on how to fix everything that is currently not working. If you need your comprehensive audit, you can click on the link in the description below and you can book your comprehensive audit with us. And if you also like this video, or if this video is very helpful to you, do not forget to like this video and also share to every Zoho CRM users out there that you know, and also subscribe to this channel because that will go a long way in helping us. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.